Hey guys, this will be just a quick video for you guys. So the title of this video is malware safe to use? The honest answer for you guys. And I've downloaded this and I've spent like 2 days. But before on my older PC, I've downloaded it and my 100% honest answer is yes. Malwarebytes is safe to use and it's considered one of the most trusted anti-malware programs available today. Millions of users rely on it. Protects their device from virus, ransom, spyware, and other online threats. And I can safely say you can use malware for your PC or laptop. And good thing about this, it's available in a lot of devices. So yeah, you can do it on a Mac, Chromebook, and Windows, Android as well. I think it has the app, right? I think. Yeah, I think. Wait. Oh yeah, yeah. There's an app. So yeah, very good. And good thing about this is has a strong malware detection, even if it doesn't have like complete security stuff, and it regular updates and lightweight performance, better for like lower end PCs. And does malware collect your data? Most of the I've seen that does malware collect your data. Malware collect your data or whatnot. I've seen that like many questions online. Like most antivirus programs, malware collect limited diagnostic and usage information to improve its service. According to the company's personal data handling is governed by its privacy and user can manage certain privacy settings. So yeah, it's end of yeah. So if you understand what I said there, yes ish. Yeah, yes ish. Yeah, yes ish. And there's a few potential downside because the free version does not provide real protection, and some websites may occasionally be blocked incorrectly. It offers few extra features than some competitors, and running multiple antivirus program with a real-time protection enable can some cause conflicts. So I suggest for many users, Malware Premium provides enough protection for everyday use. But overall, is malware safe? Is malware like safe to use? Overall, yes, Malwarebytes supports because it supports a lot like Windows, Mac OS, Android, iPhone, and even iPad, and also Chromebook. In application, regularly update and generally considered safe across all supported. So yes, Malwarebytes is safe and legitimate. It offers strong malware protection, a user-friendly experience, and low-impact system. If you're looking for trustworthy antivirus, anti-malware solution, Malwarebytes is the safe option and worth considering for you guys. But yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, concerns, have the question, but you guys have to answer as soon as possible. And thank you guys.